Hi everyone, today we're making a cheesy potato casserole. You're going to need 2 pounds of frozen hash brown potatoes, 1 10.5 ounce can of cream of chicken soup, 1 stick of butter plus 1 tablespoon of butter melted, 1 cup or half a pint of sour cream, 1/2 cup of chopped onion, 2 cups of shredded sharp cheddar cheese, and 1 teaspoon salt. You're also going to need about 2 cups of corn flakes that you've crushed with your hands. Now this recipe is a real easy one. You're just going to grab the biggest bowl that you have. You're going to add all of the ingredients except for 1 tablespoon of the melted butter and the crushed corn flakes. Those will go on at the end. And I know that some people prefer not to use the cream of chicken soup. I'm using it today just so I can stay with the recipe and what it calls for. But if you prefer not to use it, I will leave a recipe for you to make your own in the description. This casserole is so good. It combines, think mac and cheese meets potatoes. That's the best way I describe it. And if you're worried about picky eaters with that raw onion, let me tell you, I do not eat raw onion. I'm not a fan. You don't taste it once it gets into the casserole and it's baked. It gives it some flavor, but you don't know it's really there. And you could always leave it out if you have someone in your family that just won't eat it. This casserole is perfect for Thanksgiving, Christmas. We have the cooler months coming up, so it's the perfect sort of hearty casserole to make for you and your family. Once you add everything to your bowl, you're just going to stir everything together and make sure if any taters fall out, we don't leave any behind. Just throw them back into the bowl. Then you're going to put it in a 9x13 casserole dish, and I sprayed mine with a little bit of Pam. Now it's time to move on to the topping, which is going to be that reserved 1 tablespoon of butter mixed with the crushed corn flakes. Once you've combined them, you're just going to take it and sprinkle it on top of the casserole. Once you have everything ready, you're just gonna pop the casserole into a 350-degree oven for 1 hour. And that's it, a super simple, easy to pull together casserole that you can use for special occasions, holidays, or even just a weeknight dinner. As always, I will have the recipe at the end of the video. Just pause your screen to read it, and I hope you all enjoyed the video. Leave me a comment down below if you've tried this recipe before, or if you would think about making it. And don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel to see more, and hit that notification bell and you'll be notified whenever my videos come out. Thank you guys so much. I'll see you back here next time on Vintage Cookery.